Hi everyone, my name's Samantha. I just wanted to go over my unit on addition and subtraction. So as you can see, the setup or structure of the unit, I have different folders that go over the different lessons within the unit, strategies for solving addition problems, subtraction problems, and then strategies or solving addition and subtraction word problems. So the first thing that you're going to see up here is a goal setting self-assessment. So the students are going to click that and they are going to be taken, well, staying in Schoology, but taken to a Google form where they are going to fill out this pre-assessment, just assessing what they already know. They're going to check all the boxes that they already know, and they have to answer honestly based on what they do know. And then what they do not know or what is not checked is what they're going to set as their goal as they move throughout the unit. Okay. So going back into the main page here, I'm going to show you the different assessments that I have. I have a formative assessment aligned in each of my sections. Each lesson has a formative assessment attached to it, an addition strategies quiz, a subtraction strategies quiz, and solving addition and subtraction word problems. So I'll just give you I'll give you one view of one of them. So going into the subtraction strategies quiz, you can see that there are different questions, fill in the blank questions, true or false questions, multiple choice questions that go along with the lesson itself, just to give some formative assessments for me to kind of see what the students are gaining throughout the lessons. The next thing that I'm going to show you is the individual assignment. The individual assignment is underneath the addition strategies, and the individual assignment is the Dreambox and EduCreations assignment. It's essentially wanting them to log into Dreambox. They're going to solve the lesson. It gives them directions on where to go and what it looks like to solve the to get to their lesson that they need to get to. Then after they've completed the lesson, they're going to go on to EduCreations. It gives them some directions on how to get there, and then once they get in there, what they're supposed to be doing. So essentially, they need to prove now what they've done throughout Dreambox and what they've learned so far about the different addition strategies and model that by solving this problem and using a strategy that they've learned so far. And they'll then upload that EduCreations assignment to Schoology. The next thing that I'm going to show you are the learning modules. So throughout each section, let me get back to this part. Throughout each section, you're going to see some begin with these videos. And it's different videos that go along with each lesson. There are videos within each lesson, as well as a screencast in each lesson, which is just essentially it's like the videos, but it gives a little bit more in-depth overview of the different strategies. So the students are going to watch all the videos, watch the screencast, and then they're going to play these games. Then they'll move on to the individual assignment, and finally the formative. Similar in the next lesson, they're going to move from watching the videos to watching my screencast to playing the math game to then moving to the subtraction strategies quiz. Then they're going to complete the discussion board, which is the next thing I wanted to show you guys. So the discussion board that I have built in here, it just essentially says that now that the students have completed their subtraction lesson, I want them to think about a concept that they're still struggling with and ask a question to their peers using the audio recording button. And essentially, if the students do not have any questions, if they feel comfortable with solving subtraction problems and the different strategies, then I want them to answer other students' questions to help them out. Okay, so that is my discussion board. Next is the group assignment, which I'm going to move back out here. So the group assignment is within the solving word problems lesson. And the group assignment essentially just goes over the students have to create their own edu-creations where they are going to have to work together to create their own word problem using the different steps that I taught them to solve the word problem. I give them directions as what they need to do when they log into edu-creations, how to log in up here, and then finally some rules of how I expect each student to participate within the group project. So that's just a quick overview of the edu-creations group project. I already went over my content-related discussion board. And finally, you've already seen my media. If you, like I said before, all of these videos that I've added in, the screencasts that I've added into each lesson are my multimedia sources, as well as all of these games that the students are going to be participating in is also my multimedia sources. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I look forward to you watching it. Thanks.